My name is Nichole Austin, and I practice in commercial litigation and insurance defense. As a lawyer is someone who really tries to think outside the box. I really try to be creative with every legal matter. I really want to understand and throw my all at every legal issue that I have to handle because I really want to get the best solution possible, and that's what I strive to do in my practice and as an attorney. I decided to become an attorney. I think I didn't know when I was younger, but I think I was just born to be an attorney. It just fits so well with my personality. I love the thrill of debate. I love problem solving. I love working with people to resolve issues, come up with concrete solutions. I love all of that. And so the law just naturally fits with who I am as a person. It took me a little while in my life to learn about that, learn that was the case, but now that I'm here, I couldn't be happier. The most memorable case that I can point to right now is a case that I did in insurance defense, which involved a chain reaction motor vehicle accident that you might have. The situation was something that you might hear in a law school classroom, where it had like different cars and they all did different things, and there's so many issues with proximate cause and duty and all of those issues. So I ended up, that case went to the appellate division in the fourth department, and I ended up arguing the appeal, and it was the first appeal I ever did, and it was me up against like 5 other attorneys up there, and it was a really wild experience. But I think I did a very good job, and I'm proud of what I did there. And the case ended up going into arbitration after the argument, and we ended up winning totally in arbitration. So I'm really glad that I was able to participate in that in the way that I did, and that the case turned out the way that it did. So outside of work, I am a funny person. I'm a mother and a wife, and I have a pretty normal, family. I try to pack in a lot of family fun on the weekends. Spending time with my son, having good times, appreciating, all of my family that's around. I think it's very important family is very important to me, so I really try to spend as much time with them as possible while we're all here together. So a legal tip that I would give is, if you do a lot of writing and litigation, when you are writing and crafting your argument, make sure that you don't try to hide your weak points. You address your weak points front and center, because I guarantee you, in my experience with working with judges in the past, I guarantee you that the judges and their clerks know very well what all of your weak points are, and they are looking for you to tell them why, notwithstanding the weak point, that they should be siding in your favor. And so I think it's the best practice to always identify exactly what your weak points are in your case. Make sure you address them directly. Make sure you give the judge the answer that they're looking for, that tells them why they have to side with you on that issue. And I think that's a good practice point.